Many younger engineering professionals ask me the question, why do I need a mentor if I have a supervisor? Isn't my supervisor my mentor? It's an important question, and the answer could dictate how fast you progress in your career. And in this week's Engineering Management Lessons video, I want to dive into this question to set you up for success in your career. Let's do it. Can your engineering supervisor be your mentor? Yes, absolutely. And I think it'd be great to have a mentoring relationship with that person since you work so closely with him or her. However, I also recommend that you have a second mentor, someone who's either not in your company or not in the same department or office in your company. And the reason for this is because oftentimes you go to a mentor to seek career advice and support. However, your supervisor, you work with them so closely that you might have an issue with them. Maybe you get into an argument, maybe you're not communicating that well with your supervisor, and you need help with that challenge. And obviously you can't go to him or her about that. You need to go to an outside source, someone you could have a confidential conversation with, and just kind of bounce ideas off of them and seek their help and assistance. And so the best scenario is develop a great relationship with your supervisor, have that mentoring relationship with them, have regular discussions with them, but then also go out and seek an outside mentor through a professional association, or some very large companies will have mentoring programs that can connect you with another engineer across the country that will be a good mentor for you. So this way you can have that confidential relationship and conversation with this mentor that can help you even work out some of the issues you have with your own engineering team, because we're all going to have those issues, right? Even if you work in a great environment with your company, people don't always see eye to eye. Engineering projects become very complex and there's a lot of moving parts, so you're going to need that sounding board, and I highly recommend that you get that outside mentor. Now, one other piece of advice that I want to leave you with here is the mentoring relationship and the way you set it up drives how successful it is. So you could say, oh yeah, I have an outside mentor in a professional association. I see them every so often and I get to talk to them. That's not a real mentor. A mentor is someone that you meet with on a regular basis. I recommend monthly, and you have a structured conversation. Here's what I've done since we spoke about last. Here are some questions I have for you. Here is some advice that I need. Keep a notepad or a document on your computer with running questions or maybe notes from each of your mentoring sessions. That's how a mentor can help you. Just think about going to the gym. If you go once in a while when you feel like it, you don't improve your health. But if you go consistently, it works. So I hope you found this video helpful. Please consider subscribing to our channel here, as we do put out weekly videos to help engineers become the best managers and leaders that they can be. I'll see you next week.